I'm not the young boys. So.
You are useless people. Like people are living in peace. You want to cause problems. Say the Yoruba Nation. You are mad.
Gun battle between state security personnel and Oodua Nation agitators at the Oyo State Government Secretariat on Saturday, April 13, 2024. It was learned that the suspected Oodua Nation agitators in army uniform stormed the government secretariat in numbers to hijack the Oyo State House of Assembly. According to eyewitness, the alleged agitators had already taken over the assembly complex premises, and hosted their flag before in arrival of backup security personnel. By miday, the presence of Nigerian Police, Amotekun, and other security personnel had put the ugly situation into order, and several of the suspected agitators have been arrested. Yoruba Nation activist Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, and the leader of the Ilana Omo Oodua movement, Professor Banji Akintoye, on Saturday, distanced themselves from the actions of the suspected gunmen who invaded the Oyo State Government Secretariat, Agodi Ibadan, under the guise of the Yoruba Nation group.